Hi, welcome to the Monsgeek M1 V3 review video.
Nice.
What's up guys, Sauce here, hope your day is going well. So today we'll be reviewing the Monsgeek M1 V3.
Ooh.
Give me that.
What?
Give me that.
My food?
I'm joking.
Now, as you can hear by that sounds really good. I was honestly surprised by this build. I want to give a huge shout out to Monsgeek and Akko for sending this keyboard out so I could do this review. As you can see, this is the M1 V3 kit. Monsgeek was nice enough to send me some switches and I added my own keycaps to it. But we'll get more into all of this later on. But before we get started, I would like you guys to know I did release my first set of desk mats, set 01, and it's 4 desk mats with original designs by me. You can get them on sauce.shop and later on it will be on my YouTube shop. Anyway, I'm really excited about this keyboard, so let's get into it. So this is the M1 V3 by Monsgeek, and I think it's Akko's brand. And you guys know how much I love Akko switches. That's one of the reasons why I'm really excited about this keyboard, because Akko makes great products. As you can see by the packaging, everything is packaged really nicely, and they're giving you a lot of options. For $70, you are getting a lot of things in the box. Let me go on the website so I can show you everything there. So this is Monsgeek's website. This is the M1 V3. They have a lilac, a white, and a black. The black one is the cheapest one at $70. Comes in ANSI or ISO. This is a QMK NVIDIA supported keyboard, as you can see right here. And it comes with a polycarbonate plate. There's some more information on this page right here. I'm going to link it below so you guys can go check it out. There is a fully assembled version as well right here. Alright, let's get back to the video. So in the box comes with the manual, a USB-C cable, screw-in stabilizers, plate mount option, a keycap puller, then a switch puller. I really love the design of this switch puller. I've never used one of these before, but it's really good. And it comes with some extra gasket strips as well. This is the keyboard. Let's talk about it. I think the design is really nice. It's very minimalistic. I do love the design of this knob.
What do you mean by that?
On their website they did mention this is an improved knob, and it is in a sense where it's flat and it like is level with the keycaps, which I really like. On the back of the keyboard they do have the Monsgeek logo engraved into the aluminum case, and in order to open the keyboard you do take off these 6 screws and then the plates will disassemble. In order to take the PCB off of the plate, you will have to take off some extra 6 screws. This process isn't really too hard and I find it therapeutic. I did end up installing the screw-in stabs instead of these stabs, and I like them a lot more. I didn't try plate mounting because I don't like how unflexible it is. I will show you what the sound test sounds like with both of them, but I did like the screw-in stabs a lot more. With the screw-in stabs you do have to lube them yourself because it doesn't come with any lube on it, but the stock stabs have a lot of lube and you can actually stick with those because it wasn't really a crazy difference. This keyboard is really well built, and I have to say this is an upgrade to the Ala F75. So if you have a plastic keyboard, the Ala F75 or a GMK67 honestly, and you want to go to a aluminum keyboard, this is a great option because it seems like that level up. And I actually have been looking for a keyboard that I would recommend for people who have the GMK67 or the Ala F75 and want an aluminum keyboard, and this is one of those options. As I mentioned earlier, Monsgeek was nice enough to send me the Creamy Purple Pro. These are tactile switches and these are the specs on the back of the packaging. These switches are really pretty. I will put them on another keyboard later on. I bet you guys already know what keyboard. Anyway, the specs of the switches will be on the screen and you can get them separate. And these are keycaps that I already had. I got these from AliExpress. They're programmer themed keycaps and their cherry profile. I think it looks really good with this board. Although it's really all black, I don't know, it's kind of like it gives it a more punch to it because the board is so simplistic. The keycaps add a little bit of flavor to it because there's so much lettering. I don't know why I'm yapping. Anyway, so let's start with the design. This design is actually one of the best simplistic keyboards that I have tried in a really long time. Sorry for hitting the mic. But yes, this is one of the best designed keyboards I've tried in a while. It's just so simplistic. I do have some other aluminum keyboards that are better quality in the anodization and like the texture. This one's texture is a bit rougher, but for the price, it's kind of nice. Now, building this keyboard out, you would spend $70 for the kit, then you would have to buy some switches, then you have to buy some keycaps. So adding that all up, depending on your taste, this could go up to at least $110 to $150, depending on how much you like to spend on switches and keycaps. These ACO switches are $20. So that plus $70 is $90, and then keycaps that I got were $25. So this is like $115 keyboard altogether, which is technically still good. For this quality, I think it's worth it. I do love that this keyboard is gasket mounted and gives you the option of plate mounting. Even though I don't like plate mounting, I know some other people do like that, and it's great to have that option. I love that this keyboard has RGB. It's better to have it than not to have it, because if you don't like it, you could always just turn it off. And that's all I have to say about this keyboard. It's a great upgrade to the Ala F75, the ZRG MK67, if you're looking for an aluminum keyboard. And this is a keyboard you will see me show on this channel multiple times. Now, let's get into the sound test. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, are you going to get this keyboard? Is this one that's in the books for you? As I mentioned earlier, I did release my first set of desk mats. If you like the designs, go ahead and get one of those desk mats. I would really appreciate your support on those. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.